What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen how to cook. Today we are making Jamaican jerk chicken recipe, fast, easy and simple. Be sure you subscribe if you have not and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any of this upload. And for all of my returning goodie, on a done no set on a girl loving her. On a ready for cook? Come on, let's cook. Alright, goodie, make we jump right into the recipe. Now we have our chicken legs and thighs here that has been washed with salt and vinegar and lemon juice. Now to season the chicken, I did add some vinegar on it, some more vinegar to give it more flavor. Then I added some salt here. I added some black pepper. I added some all-purpose seasoning. Then I added some combo seasoning, some jerk seasoning to it, some pimento seeds. I also added some dried thyme to it, onion and garlic powder for sure. I did add a little bit of ginger powder, paprika, some sugar, brown sugar, and I did add some jerk marinade to it as well. A little bit of oil for texture on the skin. I added some fresh garlic and some parsley flakes and my jerk seasoning sauce. So that's what we added here. And I did go and add some pepper on it, scotch bonnet. I will list all of everything that I use on this recipe. It will be in the description part of this video. So go ahead and check it out if I didn't mention. Don't forget to add some browning. And of course, you can always make your browning from scratch using sugar, all right? But I'm using the browning here. That's going to be fast, easy, and simple, right? And again, check the description part of the video so you'll see what I use and how much I use. And I am using 5 drumsticks, legs, and thighs here for the recipe. Now, after I've seasoned my chicken drumsticks, legs, and thighs, let's say, I'm going to go ahead and cover it up with plastic wrap, sit it and let it marinate for about an hour, pop it in my oven at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. When I'm done, this is what I had. My jerk was off the chain, flavorful, full with nothing but Jamaican blessings, okay, in the oven, right, sir. And it was all done and all said. Look at that outer skin, how perfect that is. It looked like it was on the grill or better than the grill, all right? But I know you guys are going to love this recipe, so don't forget to give it a try because you will never forget the amazing flavor here. Now, I did make some rice and peas, y'all, but I will list the recipe, a link down in the description as well to show you how I made this. Well, what you're going to need to make the rice and peas. This is cow peas. Rice and peas right here. So I do have a recipe with cow peas already, but don't worry, honey, I got you. It's gonna be down there. I also made some fried plantains as well for the recipe for finish up things, a side dish. Somebody asked me to show them how to make it, but I'm gonna show them one different time how to fry a plantain perfect. And I did make a little salad here with some yellow tomatoes. Yes, honey, just to make everything pop and everything come together. All right, and then I did make some gravy as well, and believe it or not, the gravy was made in the microwave, y'all. Okay, if you guys want me to show you how I made this gravy in the microwave, make me know down below and I will definitely make this one for y'all. Quick something when you don't want to use the stovetop. That's the way to go. And look at that chicken and look on that gravy and everything is coming together perfectly. I did add some avocado or pear in Jamaica as we call it to this as a side dish, but everything came together nice. Let me tell you something. You see that gravy here in the microwave, it turn up loud, mad loud, okay? And nobody now gonna know say you did it in the microwave for like a minute, okay? A minute or a minute and a half. If for 2 minutes or 2 minutes too long, you're gonna have the most perfect gravy ever. But that is it right there, y'all. It was a fast, easy, and simple recipe. I hope you did enjoy this one. Please do not hesitate to thumbs it up. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.